So today we're going to talk about one of the biggest red flags to look out for when you're looking and shopping for a lender. So I actually got 2 calls on this last week, which was the inspiration for this video. So basically what was going on is there's a lender on YouTube that claims he can get you the lowest rate always. Always. He has the lowest, no matter what, rain or shine, he will have the lowest rate. Okay. Fun story. So both of these clients, and it's interesting, they both called me on the same week and I found out about this, but so both of these clients, the lender pitched them a rate that was very low. However, he could not lock that rate. No, he could not lock the rate that he had promised until he saw all their documents. And then once he saw all their documents, to one borrower, he's like, well, your debt to income's too high, so I can't give you that rate. Yeah, I checked their debt to income. It's just fine. Thank you very much. And the other one, he's like, well, I need more documents. I need more documents. I need more documents. And basically the whole con is that he's getting people, first of all, he's tricking them in by saying he always has the lowest rate. Because if someone says that, you're going to be like, wow, they must have something to substantiate that to make that claim. Okay, now, should they have something to substantiate that if they want to keep their NMLS license? Yes, yeah, they should. But it's really easy to go on the internet and make fake claims, right? And it's impossible to substantiate. How could you prove that you have the lowest rates always? You'd have to compete against every lender in the country every single day and win in order to substantiate that, which is impossible. So it's a false claim. Now, both of these clients were actually like super surprised because I gave them a rate immediately when we talked, and then I locked it and delivered it. I know, shocking, right? So the key is not, I'm so cool, the other guy is so lame. The key is that, look, if someone's making a claim that they have the lowest rates ever, it's just a big old pile of, whew, my garden's doing really well because of that big old pile, okay? That's what it is. That's what it is. So here's why, okay? Beyond the fact that you could never substantiate it, is there one lender that's consistently the lowest? No, not from what I see. So if you don't watch my videos, I work at Guaranteed Rate Mortgage, and every single time I pull rates, I'm looking at between 10 and 15 different investors. We do a lot of it in-house, it's all good, but I can see, okay, this bank's here, this bank's here. Wow, that bank really doesn't like that type of loan. They don't want that business. Oh, but wait, they really like that type of loan and they're the lowest there. So what I see in my world is I see that there's not one lender that's consistently the lowest. That's why I work where I work, so that I can look at everyone and go, okay, that one's really low, that one's really low. But to say that you always have the lowest rate would be like if a guy said he was the hottest man in the world. How could you ever be the hottest man in the world? How are you comparing that? Right? It's impossible. A hotter person could be born tomorrow. You don't know. There could be a hotter person in Brazil. You don't know. You don't know. And that's the thing. So if you're looking for a mortgage, really watch out for those claims. If someone is saying that, I guarantee you the lowest rate, I would be a little concerned. And then tagging on to that, if someone says, well, if you find a lower rate, we'll match it. You guys, I mean, that's the one that just kills me, because if you have to go shop for the lower rate, then they'll match it. Why do you want to work with them? Why don't they just give you the best they can offer up front? How about that? How about if we're just all honest, transparent, and offer the best we can? Imagine the world we would live in. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you don't fall for the con of lowest rate ever. And I hope that you don't get tricked into doing all the shopping so that a lender gives you a decent rate. Thanks for watching.